Good morning. So today I'm going to show you a very quick modification to turn this kaigelu nib into a soft flex nib. So not a soft flex nib, just a flex nib. So first, let's see how it performs without any modification. Just like a regular nib, if you push it, it can kind of flex, sort of, a very small amount. But you have to press quite hard. Now, the modification starts off by first, you have to flatten the nib, starting from the back to the front. I'm using some nice flat pliers. Do it in several passes, so you're not applying too much pressure, too much stress to any one point. Flip around, and flip it around so since the pliers are smaller on this side than they are near the tip, both sides get evenly flattened. And now we have a nice flat nib. Quickly show you that. Now I'm going to put a 45-degree angle from the breather hole to this point here, and then repeat on that side. So to do that, I just get the pliers. 45, the tines will cross over. Now just uncross the tines. And then flatten the area just behind the tipping. If you don't do this, the inner tines will be exposed and the nib will feel very scratchy. And now I'm going to add curvature back to the nib. Oh yeah, let me just align this a little bit more. Yeah, okay, so quickly show you that. This is what the nib looks like right now. Now I'm going to add curvature all the way along the nib again. Tines will move out of alignment again, but we'll just realign them in a second. These kaigelu nibs are not too expensive, so you can buy a bunch of these and just experiment until you get it right. Just flattening the area near the tipping again. Make sure there's no curvature there. Okay, this is what the nib looks like now. Quickly make sure that's aligned. There we go. I'm going to put it back in the pen. Make sure there's ink in the feed. Hopefully I haven't put too much ink in the feed. So, not super flexy, but about double what it was before. And it's quite a stiff flex. But if you just want something to do a bit of calligraphy with, and something that's not super expensive, this is a nice little mod. So if let's see, what should I write? Hello. Or about Okay, that was a terrible scribble, but still, you get some flex, and it costs, I think, like under £3 for one of these nibs. So nice, easy, accessible flex for most people. Yeah. If I was going to spend more time on this, I would get out the microscope and align the tines a lot better. But this is just, yeah, a quick demo showing how to modify a non-flex nib into a flex one without cutting or anything like that. Thanks for watching.